The Impala rocket, made by Impala, will launch to Mars. Right about there.
You're the engineers, Casey,
Justin, Brad and his binoculars, Michael, the launch tech, and Quinn with Girl Scout cookies. Cookies.
Oh.
What the fuck's in your mouth?
Does it matter which one?
Oh.
Casey.
These Thin Mints, bitch.
Peanut butter. Does it matter?
Peanut butter.
Hey Brad, can I have a cookie?
Look them up. That's what your mom said.
Tell him you said that.
Alright,
I'm hiding behind Michael.
3, 2, 1.
Instead, we might have a problem.
It's gone!
Fuck this, I'm driving!
It's stuck in the ground over there. I'll meet you guys over there. This takes work. No! You beat me.
And then the parachute deployed.
Oh, look at that, it's stuck in the ground. Dude, feel that. Holy shit. That fucker's stuck in the ground. Feel it, dude. Like, well, there's this bin. There's the rocket. Oh, that smells like shit.
Probably because that shit burnt. Here, Casey. You hold on to this.
Oh, I thought that the Impala symbol.
I found it. I don't know how it came off.
Well, as you can see, the Impala symbol came off.
I don't know how. Oh, because we had it like this, Casey. We had it through, so it was just hanging on like that.
Wow.
Alright.
I'm surprised it hanged on that long. Hung on, whatever. The rocket,
Guys, that was a bad idea.
was a total success.
We're good.
We're heading back. We're good.
Got one more launch.
Oh, we got 4 more launches.